Hello and welcome to the latest beef and lamb market update from AHDB Market Intelligence. Today we'll be taking a quick overview of the markets in the beginning of the year. To start with, let's have a look at the beef market. The prime beef price continues to remain under pressure in January, with the price trending below both the 2019 price and the 5-year average. The current price is around 330 pence per kilo. Cow prices, however, were higher in January, up 6% compared with the previous year and higher than the 5-year average. Production was slightly higher in January than the previous year at 78,800 tonnes, with higher carcass weights compensating for a reduction in throughput. Like the prime cattle, estimated cull cow slaughter figures were down, and they also recorded a rise in carcass weight. The GB cattle population was down on the 1st of January, according to data from the British Cattle Movement Service. This may mean lower numbers killed in the short term, though higher carcass weights may continue to support production. Moving on to the lamb sector, prices have been fairly flying since the start of the year. Most recently, the price has been climbing upwards, looking like an early start to the seasonal price increase. The current live weight price in the second week of February is heading towards 240 pence per kilo in the live weight ring, with market reports suggesting really high demand for the lambs that are available. Through this year so far, throughputs have been fairly high, perhaps making the most of the high prices. Similar to the live weight market, deadweight prices have also been looking really positive through 2020 so far. The prices throughout January and the first few weeks of February have been significantly above last year and the 5-year average. Slaughterings were higher for clean sheep in January, but adult sheep kill was down 10% on the previous year. The outlook for sheep would suggest that the number of lambs available will be lower in 2020 due to a contraction in the breeding flock and the number of lambs that come forward in 2019, creating some tightness in supply going forwards if the current rate of throughput continues. That's it for this update on the beef and lamb markets. If you would like to receive regular in-depth analysis for both sectors, you can sign up to the weekly newsletter on the email address below.